Hello there, ready for a grand adventure? Today we're exploring a $10 million American mansion. Imagine it all made of modeling clay. This isn't just any house, it's a palace of luxury, bursting with surprises and clever inventions. Picture giant rooms, squishy clay furniture and teacups, with that friendly handmade look. We'll stroll through lush gardens, peek behind grand doors, and see how the super rich live. Every corner promises something new, comfort, style, and a dash of whimsy. The journey starts at the gates, winds through perfect lawns, and leads to a home built for happiness. It's a place for big parties, quiet moments, and endless imagination. So, trousers on, let's step into this fairy tale mansion together. We'll discover what makes a $10 million home truly magical. Let's get this show on the road. Here we are at the grand gates, tall, black, and swirling with intricate ironwork, as if they were drawn by a whimsical artist's hand. They stand slightly askew, giving the entrance a playful, almost magical feel, as though the gates themselves are inviting us in for an adventure. Atop these gates, grinning stone lions perch proudly, their faces frozen in a mischievous welcome, as if they're in on a secret only the garden knows. As the gates swing open with a gentle creak, a long, winding driveway unfurls before us, bordered by lawns so perfectly trimmed they could host a championship snooker match. Cloud-shaped bushes line the path, each one pruned with care and imagination, adding a touch of fantasy to the scene. Beds of oversized, vibrant flowers burst with color on either side, their petals almost glowing in the sunlight, creating a painter's palette right at our feet. A winding path meanders deeper into the garden, leading us past a hidden bench, tucked beneath the shady branches of a grand old tree, an ideal spot for a quiet think, a secret chat, or simply to watch the world go by. The air here is crisp and fresh, filled with the sweet scent of grass and blooming roses, mingling together in a fragrance that feels both nostalgic and new. At the very heart of the garden, a fountain dances and splashes, its stonefish leaping joyfully, sending sparkling droplets into the air and filling the space with the gentle music of water. Beyond the fountain, the mansion rises, its warm stone walls glowing in the light, windows sparkling like jewels, and quirky chimneys twisting skyward, each one hinting at stories waiting inside. Despite its impressive size, the whole place feels inviting and alive, as if it's always ready for a celebration. Imagine garden parties on the lawn, children darting between the flowers, and laughter echoing across the grass, carried on the breeze like a cheerful melody. The curb appeal is simply unmatched, promising not just comfort, but a touch of magic and wonder for anyone who steps inside. From the very first glance, the outside is already a perfect 10 out of 10, a place that feels both grand and welcoming. So, with all this wonder before us, let's take a deep breath and knock on that big front door. Who knows what magic awaits inside? Knock, knock. The front door opens to a foyer so vast you could park a rocket ship inside. Black and white checkerboard tiles gleam underfoot, begging for a sock slide. Overhead, a crystal chandelier scatters rainbows across creamy walls in bold modern art. A grand staircase curves upward, its plush red carpet inviting exploration. Fresh flowers fill the air with a welcoming scent. Doorways branch off, each a promise of more wonders. The foyer is the heart of the home's first impression. Bright, playful, and grand. By gum, this is something special. Step into the living room, where soft gray sofas invite you to sink in. Colorful cushions add playful pops of color, and a stone fireplace glows warmly, setting the perfect scene for cozy evenings spent with loved ones or a good book. The gentle lighting and plush textures make it a space you'll never want to leave. Just beyond, the kitchen is a true marvel. Gleaming white marble counters stretch out, endless cupboards promise storage for every gadget, and a massive island stands ready for culinary experiments, family breakfasts, or late-night snacks. It's a chef's dream, and a gathering spot all in one. Copper pots gleam above, catching the light, while futuristic gadgets abound. A fridge with 4 doors, a coffee machine for every craving, and an oven that looks ready to launch a spaceship. Every detail is designed for both convenience and a touch of whimsy. The dining area is bright and welcoming, with a long wooden table perfect for gatherings and large windows that frame lush garden views, letting in sunlight and the beauty of nature. Shelves lined with books and trinkets tell stories of travel, hobbies and family memories, showing this is a lived-in loving home where every item has meaning. The kitchen's fruit bowl, overflowing with color, and scribbled notes stuck to the fridge add a personal touch, hinting at daily routines and spontaneous moments. Despite all the luxury, it's the warmth and laughter that truly fill the space. A place where family gathers, stories are shared, and memories are made every day. High-tech innovation meets homey comfort in every detail, blending smart appliances with cozy decorations for a space that feels both cutting-edge and welcoming. This isn't a museum, it's a place to live, cook, relax, and dream. Here, daily life unfolds in style, and every corner is meant to be enjoyed. The perfect blend of style and heart, a truly grand design, where elegance meets everyday comfort, and every moment feels special. Now for the fun. Imagine stepping into a world where every room is designed for pure enjoyment and relaxation, tailored just for grown-ups. Behind one door, your very own private cinema, complete with rows of plush, red recliners and a screen that stretches from wall to wall. There's even a popcorn machine in the corner, always ready for movie night. The sound system rumbles with every explosion and whisper, while velvet walls soak up the echoes, making every film feel like a grand premiere. Down the hall, a high-tech gym awaits. Treadmills, bikes, and shiny machines for every workout. Whether you're into cardio, strength training, or just stretching, it's all here. Mirrors line the walls, making the space feel endless, and a fridge keeps water perfectly chilled for that refreshing sip after a tough session. Next, the indoor pool, sparkling blue, with a glass roof that lets you swim under the sun by day, or the stars by night. There's a bubbling hot tub too, perfect for melting away stress. Plush lounge chairs invite you to unwind, the air warm and scented like a tropical holiday, while gentle steam rises from the hot tub. It's like having a private resort right at home. Every detail designed for comfort and joy. And it's all smart. Lights, music, curtains, even the temperature, all controlled by voice or tablet. You're always in command. Say dim the lights, and the room transforms instantly, setting the perfect mood for any occasion. It's convenience, comfort, and a touch of magic, where technology and luxury blend seamlessly. Here, luxury and play come together. There's even a gaming area for friendly competition or solo fun, all surrounded by elegant decor. This is a house that's as clever as it is fun, a playful paradise for grown-ups, where every day feels like a getaway. Upstairs, the master suite is a sanctuary, an enormous bed, velvet headboard, and a cozy sitting area with its own fireplace. Slide open the door to a walk-in wardrobe, shelves, rails, and drawers for everything, perfectly organized. The bathroom is a personal spa, creamy marble, a sculpted tub for bubbly soaks, and a rain shower behind glass. Double sinks and bright mirrors add to the luxury. Other bedrooms each have their own style, big beds, and private bathrooms. Every window frames a stunning view of gardens or countryside. Imagine waking up to peace and beauty every day. Each room is designed for comfort, rest, and a bit of daydreaming. It's clear, here, relaxation is an art form. Every detail is about making life easy and joyful, a true retreat from the world, rest and luxury, perfected. Our tour ends, but what a journey. This mansion is luxury and fun, warmth and wonder. From wobbly gates to the hot tub, every inch is built for joy and comfort. It's not just a showpiece, it's a home for laughter, memories, and dreams. Imagine mornings in the garden, evenings in the cinema, and days filled with invention. Smart tech, beautiful design, and playful touches make it unique. It's a house with heart, a place for inspiration and imagination. As we close the door, we take with us the dream of what home can be. Now, who's for a nice cup of tea and some cheese?